I just found something I wrote a while back. I don't know when I wrote it, but I'm going to share it. And it's called Why I Love Being a Plumber. First and foremost, I want to be honest. I love being a plumber because of all the dead presidents that I make. I wasn't always the awesome, gifted, and skilled plumber standing before you. I once was a housekeeper, nanny, and a personal shopper. From the moment I became a union plumber, my life changed for the better. I gained access to a 401k, healthcare, and a pension without a college degree and the college debt. Being a plumber has afforded me and my family upward mobility. I'm not going to stand here and tell you that it's always like in a nirvana. Many times I wanted to quit, but the love and passion that I have for plumbing keeps me pressing forward. Plumbers do a whole lot more than plunging toilets. Plumbers can be welders, they can do blueprint drawing, project management, plumbing estimation, and so much more. I take great pride in knowing that my little hands has been helping build this great city of New York, and the projects that I worked on will be around for a very long time. And maybe until I work on one of them and redo it. So, if you have grit, moxie, and love making dirty money, you got what it takes. Trust me. So come on, join my trade sisters and I in being kick-ass tradeswomen. So if you're thinking about joining the trades, I hope that motivates you. I was just cleaning out some papers and I found that and I decided I should share it. That's why I love being a plumber.